All right, here we go. Looks like they got something going on here with the water or landscape watering system. Not sure what's going on there. Here's the garage. They got a lot of the doors and stuff. I'm looking at some of these cabinet doors. You can still, it looks like these need another coat here. Some of them have stuff on the front. You can see that. So yeah, these definitely are ready to be installed. Definitely need another coat. This one probably needs to be sanded then coated. But yeah, looks like a lot of these you can still see the grain of the wood. So these are not done yet. Here's the rest of the interior of the garage. Should probably make a note to take out that water softener or put something cheap in there, because I don't think that thing's working, but looks like he's got the cover panel off for the electrical box, doing some work on that. Alright. So here is some of the work that's been done right around where they took out those logs. Looks nicer having them out, I agree. Some of the texture looks a little heavy-handed. Probably just needs to be sanded and then painted. Yeah, you can definitely see some impressions where those were taken out. And then it doesn't look like the face frames have been fully painted on these cabinets yet. Countertops are not installed yet. Here's their little checklist that they have here. You see what they've marked off and whatnot. Here's the family room. Looking out on the back here, some of these plants are looking heat stressed, so I don't know if they're getting watered or not, but we definitely want to check in. This tree, if I remember correctly, had leaves on it at one point. Now it might just be dead. I'm not really sure what's going on there. There's some trash that needs to be taken out, some more trash. Need to get that touched up, this back patio light. More trash here on the side of the house. Alrighty. Was that just scaffolding?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's cool. Oh.
¿Cómo está?
¿Es posible? Gracias. Alright. So here's the master, waiting on carpet in here. Here's the face frames for the cabinets in here. It still needs to be cleaned and whatnot. Got lighting that still needs to go in. Looks like the closet doors they took off. They got the glass installed for the shower, but it hasn't been epoxy coated yet. I probably would have epoxy coated it first, then put on the shower door. Because now they just have to tape up for this and make sure that they don't get any on there. But here's the closet. Yeah, still missing lights at all of our locations. All right, thank you. So here's this bathroom, laundry, Now we're just going upstairs to the loft area. This whole thing's been taken apart right here. This is a pretty old cabinet. I don't know if you guys said you're gonna leave this or not. If we're gonna leave it, we definitely need to fix this thing and get this all put back together. This all looks fine. Let's see, I'll go down the hallway here, see what we got. This room doesn't look like it's been painted yet. Yeah. So quiet. Yeah, it looks like they still have, looks like they haven't done anything in here. I don't know if that was discussed or not. I figured they're going to be doing all the cabinets. But yeah. Let's make sure they pull this plant out of this skylight here. But yeah, I'm guessing we were going to refinish this too, but they haven't done that. And here's this bedroom. I'm a little worried about some of these marks on the floor, but looks like this is coming up. All right, there you go.